Hello friend, Liping here. Another video with the translations for today. That has been a hot topic lately in Chinese social media platforms. An English poem and its Chinese translation. Here is the English version. I love three things in this world: the sun, the moon, and you. The sun for the morning, the moon for the night, and you forever. Alright, next, here's the Asian Chinese version. 浮世三千，无岸有三，日、月与卿。日为朝，月为暮，卿为朝朝暮暮。What do you think? I personally think the translation is simply beautiful, and it is now generally recognized that it is the most beautiful Chinese translation of this poem. What do you think? Leave the comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!